If I had 10 minutes to do a morning skincare routine, this is what I would do. Now, I only have 10 minutes. You only need 10 minutes. So, first things first, what I'm gonna start doing is just get some water onto my face before using the face wash to wash my face. So, let's get straight into that. We got two angles now today. We upgraded. We upgraded. We're doing a lot better. We got a bigger budget. All right. So, face is a little moist. We're gonna go in with our face wash now. We're using wash. Yep. And you don't want to put a lot, just a little bit onto your fingertips so that you can massage the rest into your skin. Nice and gently. Oh, it's not even opened. Nice. Sometimes when you get new stuff, you gotta like open it, take out the little covering that they have on it sometimes. So, just a little bit. You don't need too much. Just going with this much. You want to use your fingertips to just basically get everywhere, bro. You want to get your forehead. You want to get these parts right here on the side. Definitely your cheeks. I think that's where I break out the most. And you can see a little bit, a couple scars right here. Once I get pimples, bro, I just tend to pop them, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I know it's probably wrong. And that's probably why I have all these acne scars on the sides of my cheeks, but I just can't stand when I got pimples, bro. I can't stand one that's just like so overbearing, like the redness and then the bump. I'm like, I hate it, bro. But that's why we have to stay on top of our skincare routine. We have to stay on top of making sure that we're clean, because that only happens when your skin is dirty, when your pores are open and got a little gunk on it and all that. So that's why not only having a skincare routine is important, but washing your face whenever you sweat, whenever you are hard at work, whenever you come back from work, 2 times a day, morning and night. But it's pretty good now. Now I can go in and wash this off, but as I'm washing this off, let me tell you guys about today's video sponsor, Teach Henley. Let's be honest, how you start your day says everything. For me, skincare used to be something I skipped or just didn't take seriously, but now it's one of the few moments I give back to myself. A daily wash that actually feels clean. No overpowering scent, no dryness, just something simple that works. I use it every morning to reset. It's like wiping the slate clean, literally and mentally. I think a lot of us overlook how much our skin affects the way we carry ourselves. But when you look good, when your skin is clear, smooth, you just feel more locked in. And when you feel that way, everything else follows. You just show up different. That's what I've realized since using Teach Henley. It's not about being perfect or doing the most. It's about building small habits that align with who you want to become. Their system breaks it all down for you. No guessing, no fluff, just a clear path that makes taking care of your skin easy to stick with. And look, over 16,000 5-star reviews don't lie. Guys everywhere are getting real results. And right now, Teach Henley is giving you up to 40% off on your first box, plus a free $20 gift. So if you've been putting this off, take this as your sign. Click the link in the description and start taking care of yourself, inside and out. Thank you, future me, for telling y'all about Teach Henley and how we're using it today. So after using wash, which is the face rub, which just basically cleanses your skin, we're gonna go in now with the scrub. And scrub is like a twice a week exfoliating type of thing that you wanna do. Today happens to be the second time of the week that I'm going to do it, so it's very simple, kind of like the same process where you just put a little bit onto your fingertips and rub it into your skin and rinse it off. Comes in a bit like that. It's like it got stuff on it, is what I'm trying to say, to make it feel like you're actually exfoliating your skin and not just washing. Now, exfoliating is important, but it is important not to do it every day of the week because it does take an impact onto your skin. If you do this every day, geez, I don't even know what would happen if you exfoliate every day. I just know it's not a good thing to do. Feels like, it smells really good. But yeah, you're just gonna apply it the same way we applied the face wash, and you're gonna rinse it out exactly the same way. Just be a lot more gentle when applying this because it does have like these little exfoliating dot bubble things. Let's rinse this all out. Cool. When we're rinsing as well, use warm water. There we go. And pat dry as well. You don't want to rub. Rubbing it, it's just like too irritating onto your skin. So after the scrub, you know, they have built this simple routine for me. The next step is to use the super serum. And with the super serum, it is basically like a firming serum that you go in before using the moisturizer. So it just helps it lock into place. You don't want to use too much as well, and you want to let it dry a little bit before moving on to the next step. So about 2 pumps, that's all I need. Whoa. Not like that. Wow. All these products smell really good too. So that's a plus. This product is really silky, really smooth. Now we're gonna wait a bit for this to kind of dry up, harden a bit. How much time do we got? 2 minutes 24. 2 more things left, and we're all done for a 10-minute self-care routine. You know, one of the important things about like self-care that I can apply into other aspects of my life is the routine, the structure that it gives. This is a 5-step process where you don't even have to do all 5 steps every morning. You know, like I said before, the exfoliating thing, you don't do that every day. So really it's just wash, do the super serum, we get into the next 2 after, and you'll see why we have to do the other 2. So, okay, just dry it up a little bit. We're gonna go into eyes now, and I just woke up. I don't think I have crazy eye bags right now, but when you do, use eyes, especially in the morning. Sure, you just woke up, right? You're a little tired. You wanna go back to bed, but then you remember, you're like, nah, I got Teach Henley. I got a skincare routine to keep up. I got structure in my life now. With eyes, obviously, you want to put it underneath your eyes, your eye bag type of things. You don't want to use too much. And this helps with the puffiness. This helps with the dryness of that area, especially around this time. All the pollen, bro. My eyes are just getting drier and drier as the day goes on, especially if I don't take that medicine. But with eyes, problem gone. Now the last step, how much time do I got? 51 seconds. Last step, because it's the morning, we're going to use AM with Teach Henley. If it was night, I would use PM. But AM, also got some SPF 20 sunscreen, you know, taking care of your skin, making sure that the sun don't really bother you too much, give you discoloration in your skin and all that. So this step's really important. And having a sunscreen infused with the moisturizers, also amazing too, because it's like a 2-in-1. We're just gonna get this through before this timer goes off. Make sure every inch of your skin is covered and coated in this. And like before, you don't want to use too much of any of these products, bro. A little goes a long way. Less is more when it comes to these type of things, and boom. 10 minutes, skincare, done. Let's give you all a look of how the skin is looking now after using, you know, oh, now you want to make the noise. Last video, this did not want to make the noise. Now it does. So let's go view, look how Look how nice and moisturized my skin looks. You know? Now I can go out, enjoy the rest of my day. Shit, maybe even get a few compliments here and there. You know what I mean? Because that's what a structured skincare routine does for you. It gives you structure, it gives you balance, it makes you feel good and confident about yourself. Makes you be able to go out every day and tackle it straight on, head on. You guys can go down in the description to get 40% off your first box, as well as a gift worth up to $20. And if you're a member, you get 20% off for life. Shop through my link today and start a life-changing skincare routine. That's right. Peach Henley don't just provide individual products. They provide you the whole structure, the whole routine, just for you, easy and simple. It's been Nathan Xavier, and I'ma see y'all next Saturday.